Hello, I'm Susan Mendenhall.
And I'm Patrick Buesching.
We are excited to share more about the Empowering Manufacturing Grant Program.
This program is all about working alongside manufacturers and regional partners to strengthen Northeast Indiana's manufacturing economy.
We start from the perspective of manufacturers, the demand side of the equation. Across Northeast Indiana, manufacturers are navigating rapid change, new technologies, evolving skill needs, and increasing global competition.
And while there's no shortage of good programs, what's often missing is alignment, systems that truly respond to what manufacturers need to grow and compete. That's where this program comes in. We're focused on strengthening the infrastructure around manufacturers, not just individual programs, but also on how the entire system works together. We invest in industry-driven initiatives that help manufacturers move forward in 3 key areas.
First, accelerating the adoption of next-gen technologies, especially through shared learning, collaboration, and scaling what works. Second, strengthening how manufacturers engage in talent development, playing a more active role in shaping pathways, not just receiving talent. And third, supporting lifelong learning for working learners, helping companies upskill their workforce and build long-term capability.
At the center of all this is collaboration between manufacturers, intermediaries, education, and workforce partners.
We primarily partner with intermediaries and regional organizations working closely with manufacturers. The strongest ideas are industry-informed, collaborative, and grounded in real demand, not assumptions. These are efforts that go beyond a single organization or a company and create shared value across the region.
For us, success is about measurable outcomes, not just activity. That could mean manufacturers adopting new technologies, improving productivity, or strengthening their workforce capabilities, or deeper alignment between employers and the broader talent system, so the pipeline actually reflects real-world needs.
This work matters because manufacturing drives Northeast Indiana's economy. When manufacturers are stronger, more innovative, more adaptive, and more connected, the entire region benefits. If you're working with manufacturers to address real challenges or opportunities,
whether in technology, workforce development, or system-level collaboration,
we'd love to connect
and explore what's possible together.
The Don Wood Foundation awards charitable grants to nonprofits and educational institutions that expand opportunities for students and communities in partnership with manufacturers in Northeast Indiana.